welcome back.
Hi.
We're in a caravan.
Yay, finally.
Yeah. It's a
Jayco Silverline 2475-2. Not sure what all that means, but I'm pretty sure the 24 is 24 foot.
and 2021.
Yes,
model.
it's a
Yeah.
2021.
So we ordered it in about February and got it first week in August. So yeah. So it did take a while to arrive, but now if you actually order one, it takes a year. So I think we're pretty lucky that we got in as early as we did. So it's pretty cool. So this video is just a brief introduction to a caravan from pickup to a couple of NZMCA sites that we stayed at, and to where we are now in Rotorua lockdown. So basically only been in the caravan a week and lockdown happened.
So yeah, so this is a brief tour of the caravan. We will do a more in-depth one because the caravan's got quite a bit of high tech and we've put some added bits onto it, and so me being the techie would probably we'll do a separate nerd. Okay, we'll do a separate one on that and get in depth because I know some of you want to see all that sort of stuff.
And Greg wants to show off his drone flying skills after the crash that he's had, so he's got a little bit better at that. So he wants to show off his drone skills, don't you?
Okay. Righto, here it is.
Hope you enjoy. And here we are coming in to Prestige Caravans, Jayco Wellington. Here we go, and this is where our caravan will be. You think that's ours there, Greg?
Hey?
I think that's ours there, that one right there.
I would say.
Oh, exciting. That's the first look of our caravan. It's Greg just backing the ute up to be connected to our new caravan. So it's Greg using the motor movers for the first time. Pretty slow going. This is going to be our first empty of the cassette toilet. We've been having debates about whether it's a pink or a blue job. We're both gonna. It's a blue job. We are both gonna have a go. We've got our black gloves on, so we'll see how we go. Not really looking forward to it, but I'm assuming that the first one is the worst. It'll get easier after that, less gross. We might just sort of, we won't really show you much. We just got a dump mate which you put on there that just helps the sludge go through. So first time doing it, Greg. So on the scale of 1 to 10 on the really gross yucky scale, how was that?
Yeah.
Not too bad?
Wasn't too bad at all.
Wasn't too bad, okay. So you,
All of it is probably way
yeah.
less.
So would we say you enjoyed it?
No.
And it's definitely a blue job, eh? Yep,
No.
cool, thanks.
Where should we park, you reckon?
Here we are at the NZMCA campsite in Turangi. It's just an asphalt campsite, but I think it'll do the trick. We're only here for a night. off to Hamilton tomorrow to get some solar panels fitted. So yeah, I think it'll be great. Come on in. Okay, so this is our club lounge. Have quite a few parties around here. You know, it's a set for 6 people. We can just squeeze 6 in. So yeah, party time. And this is our kitchen over here. Awesome, like the storage is awesome. Like in the drawer, there's just lots of space. All the cupboards out there. Cupboards there. Really good stove, gas stove, and a 4 gas hob and a grill. So that's really awesome. Full size fridge and freezer. Well, pretty much full size. So that's pretty good for us. You can see down to our bedroom there. Oh, the club lounge actually converts to a bed as well, but we'd have to be pretty good friends with whoever's there because our bedroom's sort of right there. So, oh, and there's a Holly doll. Yeah, that's Holly doll usually sleeps up there, but for now she's been she's down there. So she seems to be liking this lifestyle. But yes, this is our bedroom. So the wall pushes out, which we've actually got pushed out at the moment. So when Greg shows you around the outside, you can see. But it's pretty awesome. It's a cross between a double and a queen, so it's actually quite a good size. Even Holly can put in there as well. But again, lots of storage space, wardrobes, just honestly, there's just heaps of storage, which is awesome. Okay, so this is our bathroom, complete with cassette toilet. We haven't decided whether it's a pink or a blue job yet to empty it, so we both go and empty it. It's even got a washing machine, just a 3 kg one, but it does the trick. We've used it twice now. And this is our shower, pretty decent sized shower, and the water pressure is really good as well, so it's cool. Yeah.
Righto, I'd love to show you around the outside of our caravan with a beach backdrop, but no, it is Rotorua, and we're parked up Dylan's driveway. So yeah, come and have a look. It's got lots of storage in the outside like it has on the inside. This one here is inside-outside storage, so you can get to it from both sides. This little flap here, I thought, they call it a picnic table, and I thought it'd be a bit of a waste of time, but it's been really handy. It's got 2 power points there, and we charge the electric bikes, put all the chargers on there, so that's great. Awning's half out at the moment because we're parked a bit close to the house, but that's okay. It's quite a clever awning. It moves and adjusts itself with the wind, and yeah, it's got lights, and yeah, it's very well equipped. Righto, come on down. This one here, believe it or not, is a TV bracket. Outside TV bracket. So it's got aerial and speaker connections in there and a TV bracket, so you could have a TV. We don't actually own a TV at the moment, so maybe that'll be something for down the track. It's got a really great front boot, which has got lots of stuff in there. Let me show you that. There's heaps of room in there. Got a couple of gas bottles in the front. It's got an automatic switching valve there, and standard tow type stuff. What have we got around here? Oh, we've had a gas heater fitted. So if you can see under here, there's a gas heater fitted.
A gas heater or a diesel heater?
Sorry, diesel heater. Gas heater. Diesel heater fitted. That's yeah, great. It really heats the caravan up really well, doesn't it? It's great. This is our water connections. In here there's a couple of tanks that we can fill, but at the moment we're connected to the water pressure. And Sandy talked about the bed extending out. This is what they call a slide out. It works with a couple of motors. You push a button in and it goes. It's pretty popular on all the late model caravans now. You may wonder what these little guys are here. So they are called motor movers. We got those fitted so that we can, well, for a couple of reasons. One, so that we can make sure at the viewing end of our caravan, which is the towing end, is facing the view, so we can unhook the vehicle and manoeuvre the caravan into the view. And the second one is for security. They reckon that if you park the towing hitch up against a fence or something like that, makes it very tricky for the thieves to take your caravan away. They've been average so far, haven't they?
Yeah.
Average, yeah. And then that's the toilet compartment. Inside that one is an outside shower. It's got some brackets and things that you can clip up here, and hopefully sprays water out. Yeah.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah.
Obviously we haven't used it yet because it's been a little bit cold, but
It's very cold.
rest assured in the summer we'll be using it quite a bit. It's even got a little privacy shower curtain that you can put around as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that'd be pretty awesome to use. Oh yeah. And I'll just show you the view that we've got. It's not actually too bad. We're actually at the end of a cul-de-sac, and so we have actually got a park just there, which Holly loves. She runs over there and plays all the time, but to be stuck in Rotorua in a driveway, I don't think it's actually too bad. Like, it's as awesome, I suppose, as it can be. I mean, a beach obviously would be a lot better, but